Hello everybody, welcome back to new video. It's me your boy Pankaj, and again today I'm here with you guys to share something about myself and whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm experiencing in my whole entire life. I'm always sharing with you guys. Now this is the day of my math session, and I'm doing today of statics, and today I have done almost one exercise I did cover, and this will go continuously up to till end of this math grade 11, and I will complete the math whole session in this whole entire 1 week. This is my plan. And how is the day going on with you guys? I'm good, I'm fine, and yeah. Now talking about, statics is also one of the mind game. If you need to play, or if you want to play in a good way, then you have to just go in a good direction. And if you choose short and sweet direction, then it's gonna be a lethargy and wrong procedure. So it's better to use straight and forward in mathematics. So no, not only in mathematics but also in statics. Statics is one of the most important chapter of our whole entire life. It depends upon us, like how we are proceeding, how we are checking. So statics is like a systematical way, like taking everything in a sequentially process. If you take one by one, then it will work as a medicine. But if you take all thing at once, then it's gonna be a mismatch. So it's gonna be a confusion for you guys. So statics is telling to us like we have to do everything in a sequential way, rather than in the name of fasting doing, we do all things mismatch. So it is not good like that. Now talking about another thing, so here in statics we have actually we have some of the question to find out the standard deviation, and as well as mean and coefficient of variance. So here I am gonna explain this three chapter. Okay, standard deviation means like how the data is fluctuate from one point to another, how the data difference between there, like, some of the time, uh, actually simply, uh, this standard deviation tells us like how the thing is going consistency level. Like some of have bring about like 50 marks in math, and some of them brings 30 marks in Nepali, and the same person bring like 2 marks in physics. Now it's gonna calculate all average and find out the like what is the standard deviation. And the more less your standard deviation, that is more good and preceding term. I mean it is good. So it's better to be like a small, in a small amount the standard deviation. So it is simply telling us like how the one is working, how their consistency level is going and upgraded. So statics is all about that. And so a standard deviation is telling us the same, the comparison between like high value to lower value. So and their consistency, how someone is going on the same flow of their journey. Now talking about mean is mean, median, quartile. This all three is similar, but actually like these all are the intermediate point, I mean center of this data. And talking about coefficient of variance, so it is like uh, standard deviation by mean, and we have to do into 100. So that is the coefficient of variation. Now, yeah, we have to also find the variance, and there is a lot of formula, and we have to use in a pattern way, and we have to make our mind like free, and to whenever to when we have to use the formula, it's depend upon us and how we are just using the formula. So we have to go. So what has been changed in my life, that statics make my life in a sequential way. So for you guys, this much for today. Hope to see you next video. Till now, bye.